If you want to make money online, right in your sitting room, with just your smartphone and data connection, then this video is actually for you. Because in this video, I'm actually going to be showing you a business you can start right now with just as little as 50 to 100k and your smartphone in your sitting room, and you will be making good amount of money, right? So which business am I talking about? What I'm actually talking about is e-commerce. Yes, it's not new to you. You must have been hearing it. You must have actually tried it and it did not work out for you. And the reason is simple. You did not do it the right way. So how do you get started? How do you make money in e-commerce? See, let me tell you something. I'm not just telling you what I have not done or theoretical, right? You see this product here? I sold this product as early as 2021. That was when I actually started e-commerce. I think 2021, 2022. But then I was doing it as a side hustle because I was also working there. So I was doing it part-time. You see this other product, I have sold this product. You see this other one, I have also sold this one and many other products. And I made good amount of money from all these products I have shown you right now. Why am I telling you this? I'm telling you so that you know that this is what I have done. This is what I'm still doing, and it has been profitable, right? Forget about what anybody must have told you. Forget about what people are saying about it. Yes, there are ups and downs. Even in every business, there is also ups and downs. But that does not mean that e-commerce is not profitable. E-commerce is still profitable till tomorrow. So if you want to start your e-commerce today, what do you need? How do you need to get started so that you'll be profitable in the business? It's very easy. First thing, you must understand about product research and product sourcing. That is the first thing you need to know about. Now, let me show you something. Do you know that if I go over to my phone right now, this is AliExpress. If I head over to AliExpress, this is applicable to every other platform that you can use for sourcing, right? Now, do you see if I go here, you can see thousands of products on this platform. Now, one of the mistakes a lot of persons do, why they don't actually make money or succeed in e-commerce, is that they just go ahead and order for product based on their emotion. They don't do product research. They don't do product testing before going ahead to order for product to sell. They just believe that to them, this product is good, this product will sell. But I can tell you for a fact that that product you think that will sell, you can introduce it to the market and it will end up not selling. But once they go ahead and order for product to sell based on their emotion, you will find out that those products will not sell. They will become frustrated, their capital will be tied down, and that is when they start complaining that e-commerce is not actually a good business to start, right? So for you today, if you are starting e-commerce all over again or as a newbie, the very first thing you need to do is to learn about product sourcing and product testing. What is product sourcing? Product sourcing simply means you sourcing for a product that you want to sell. And there are many platforms you can actually use to source for your product. You can use Facebook, you can use TikTok, you can use AliExpress, you can also use Temu. I do use Temu most of the time for my product sourcing, right? So it simply means spending time in these platforms to look for products that you can actually sell, a product that you can actually bring to the market, and then the market will respond positively to those products, right? So that is what product sourcing has to do. Then the next thing is product testing. Now, product testing has to do with you introducing those products that you have actually sourced to the market to see how the market reacts about the product, to see if the market will like the product and if the product will actually sell. That is what product testing is all about. And this you do it before even going ahead to order for bulk purchase, right? For instance, if I go ahead and source for this phone as a product I want to sell, so the very first thing I will need to do is to go and test to know if the market will accept this product, if this product will sell before I will go ahead and start ordering in large quantity. But if you make the mistake without testing a product and you go ahead and order in large quantity, I can tell you for a fact that that product might not be able to sell in the market, and you become frustrated, and all those products will be piled in one corner of your home, and your capital will be tied down. And that is when frustration will start setting in the business, right? So you must know how to source for product. You now bring the product and do what we call product testing. And the product testing, you can do it using Facebook ads, you can do it using TikTok ads, you can also do it using YouTube ads, right? So these are the ways you can actually test a product. By the time you run ad for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, it will be able to tell you, okay, how the market is responding to the product and whether the product is good enough to go or not. But that does not also mean that when the ad do not do well, that the product is bad. No. Most times it could be your ad setup, it could be your creative. If your creatives are not good enough, if your ad setup are not good enough, even when the product is good, it might struggle to sell in the market. So you must make sure that before you even go ahead and start testing a product, your ad setup is good enough, your creatives are good enough, and you must also come from different selling angles. And this brings me to the last one that you must also know, which is what we call sales and marketing. As someone who is into e-commerce, you must make sure you learn how to sell. You must make sure you learn marketing. If you don't know how to sell, if you cannot sell from different angles, then you will struggle to sell your product. For instance, if this is the product I have ordered and want to sell, right? I should be able to understand sales and know how I can be able to sell and market this product from different angles. So, as someone who is actually trying to make money online, you want to make money online, I can assure you that e-commerce is one of the good ways you can make money online. If you can actually spend your time to learn about product sourcing, product testing, and then marketing and sales, and know how to set up ad properly, then you are good to go. If you want to learn more, I have a dedicated Telegram channel where I teach people how they can actually start an e-commerce business with just as little as 50 to 100K and grow the business. If you want to be part of it, the link will be in the description of this video. You can join the Telegram, and I will be dropping helpful updates that will assist you to get started and then make money online. Thank you, and see you in my next video.